Anyway, so let's describe the benefits. I don't know if I'm going to use my example here. Let's give it a bash. Describe the benefits of a post-Brexit world. Stick to the BJ theme. But I also want to have a look at this from the point of view of describing the benefits maybe of a product, right? How often have you been in a product pitch and you ask the vendor, if you could please describe to me the benefits of your product so I can compare it to something else? Interesting. I bet there's a whole lot of downsides as well. But we'll save that for another day, and it's a question you can ask. So while staying on describe the benefits, why don't we do that? Describe the benefits. Oops, I'm not on the thing. Describe the benefits to running a PPC campaign. Let's keep to a theme here, right? And again, guys, see how I build my arguments. See how I build my strategies. This is the joy of ChatGPT, because you get onto a thread and you start exploring it. So many people say to me, it's plagiarism. No, it's not. It's getting your mind going. It is augmenting and accelerating your ability to be more productive. And when I say more productive, I'm talking a multitude of more productivity than anyone else. It is phenomenal. There we go. In fact, let's pick a product. I really like describe the benefits. Describe the benefits of using, let's think of a product, Dyson vacuum cleaners. That's a bit of a side spin. It's moving away from the world of digital, but let's look at other products that we're going to look at those benefits. Strong suction power would have said the same thing. I think it's because of those cyclone tubes that are able to suck harder than anyone else. Fantastic. Look at that. That's exactly what they're looking at. The filtration systems, the cordlessness. Brilliant. Describe the benefits of so many things. It is possibly one of my favorite prompts.